Right along, we have Lauren Evers. Lauren is a fourth grader at Allen Park Elementary. Robin Schaefer nominated Lauren for her hard work and empathy. Lauren is a Girl Scout and it's Girl Scout cookie time. Lauren decided that she did not just want to sell the cookies, but to also collect donations to purchase cookies for senior citizens. Her goal was to be able to purchase cookies for 150 senior citizens in our area. Lauren wanted to bring a little joy and love to as many seniors who are often alone on holidays this Easter Sunday. Lauren exceeded her goal and was able to deliver 180 boxes of cookies to the Villa Vincente and Blessed Pope John XXIII villas. The Kiwanis Club and the United Way purchased 30 boxes as well for families that are caring for seniors with many needs. Lauren, your hard work and empathy for others is what the community is all about. Congratulations, and could Lauren's family and friends come forward?